Okay, now let's go deeper. As you can see, there is a note here for the font that we can use for this page. This is the Google font Lato. So let me just go through this step because it's an easy one. So Google Fonts is a special service provided by Google that allows us to load and use a multitude of font families in any website for free. So we're looking for the Lato family of Google Fonts. So I'm going to go and Google for Google Fonts. I will go to this link and then try to search for the Lato family. I found there is a Lato font family. I'm going to click this. And now I want to select different styles. So as you can see, the Lato font family has different like weights, as they are called, and different styles. We have italic, we have regular, we have lighter, regular, bold, black. And now you have to pick, it's a nice time for you to pick some of these styles because you probably don't need all of them on your site, and then select them so that you can load them on your page. So you can do that by going here on the right and selecting, for example, the thin style. I will also select all of the styles for now, just for the sake of this example of this demo. Normally you want to pick just the ones that are used, of course, in your web page. And as I click these elements, you will see that there's some dynamic elements created here. So Google automatically gives me some HTML that I can copy and paste in my code so that I can load this font family. As you can see, we have 3 links that we can copy and paste in our HTML so we can load this font. And then there's also CSS rule that we can use somewhere or anywhere in our CSS so we can apply this font family to our elements. So I will go here and select this and copy this link, but before doing so, I will show you what happens when I decide to remove one of these styles. For example, you can see here it loads all the styles. If I remove, let's say, the black italic and the bold italic, it removes these styles from this link. So automatically this nice dashboard gives me just the HTML I need in order to load the font family and the sizes and the styles that I need. Let me just copy this and I will go back to my HTML, and let me just put this at the bottom so we can see here the styles at the bottom. I have to put these links in the head area of my HTML. So I will go here and click paste. And as you can see here, just by copying and pasting from different websites, we can see that this messes up this indentation. These 2 links should be nested inside the head, so they should be like few spaces to the right. No, so when you copy and paste things from like some external source, it's a good thing to paste and then right click and select format document so that it kind of like fixes your indentation and your formatting. So I'm copying this. I'm now folding the head again. And the next thing I want to do is I want to go to my styles and add the font family rule inside the body so that all the elements that are contained within the body actually use this font family. So I'm going to go here, copy the font family. I'm going to move this here and then just let me move this to the right side so we can see the change. So when I go here in my body and I paste the CSS rule for the font family Lato, you will see that immediately the font family changes from the default font family, which I believe is Times New Roman, to the Lato family by Google. I can also double check to see what's happening when I load these fonts by opening up once again my DevTools, going to the Network tab, and if I scroll up and refresh my page, you will see that right now there's an extra CSS that is being loaded through this link that I pasted. So you can see there's an extra CSS that loads the fonts, and then there's another extra file that is being loaded by Google. So there's some things going on there that allow me to use the Lato font family.